Right, we're back in the room. Right, this is the other set I looked at when I was showing you on the intro of the retro train sets I'm looking at during the Christmas period. This one, I can't find any reference to it in any Hornby Railways catalogues that I have in my collection. The only thing I can think of is this is a special commission by Hornby Railways for someone like Index, Argos, Toys R Us and Woolworths. So that's the only thing I can think of. Roughly I can look at it. This is 1987. Yeah, so that's why roughly the time when I think this was produced. Yeah, there are a few of these sets that are available, specially commissioned by a shop, outlet, whatever you want to call them. So yes, without further ado, let's take the top off. Obviously it's got a nice cellophane top so you can see what's in there, and obviously this is a photograph of the model, yeah, printed on the box. Yeah, rather nice. This set is R978, and you can see an overall, a larger overall with a siding in it. Yeah, that's rather impressive. Got a siding with this one. Well, it is a freight set after all. And also as well, towards the end of the 80s into the 90s, you used to get this, used to show you the contents or the models, the set out. You used to get that a lot in the, yeah, towards the end of the 80s into the 90s, they started doing that. And obviously with photography, and some sets during the 90s as well, it still had artistic pictures as well. I have a few sets in the 90s that still had the artistic picture. Right, let's have a look. Let's have a look what we get in the set. And I've kept this one rather neat, and it's in good condition. Myself and my daughter have had this out, and we've played with it many times. She likes this one, especially when she likes to shunt the wagons into the siding, and she can use the umbrella to uncouple, and then the loco goes on about its merry way. Yes, she's had lots of fun with this. And obviously again, first radius, steel track. And let's get focus. R605 Hornby, made in Austria. So first radius, and we got a set of points. And we got some R600s in there, which is short straights. I think we've got buffer stop in there as well. Yeah, buffer stop. And yeah, let's get onto the loco. Yes, why not? I'm going to take her out. Oh, look at that. And get focus. Sometimes the camera wanders off. It's the white background. If I move that out of the way, maybe that'll be better. Oh, look at that. Nice Jinty. Wow. I'm missing a buffer there. I wonder if that's in the box. I didn't notice that before. I can sort that out anyway. Got spares. This is in good condition, this Jinty. I have a few. This one's I think it's got, yeah, M7 motor in it, so this is an upgrade from the one produced in the 70s and early 80s. And you've got traction tyres as well. Yeah, Type 7 motor, I know that because I can see it through there. And obviously I've had this model apart and I've serviced her, and she runs rather nice. Very good condition. I'm very glad I've got her. Yeah, look at that. That is nice. Right, let's put her aside. Right, back in shot. We'll just have a quick look at the rolling stock. A rather nice brake van. Wow, look at that. Yeah, I've got a few of these, and I've got some of these from the trying period as well. But this is a Hornby Railways version anyway. You can see Hornby Railways at the bottom there. If I spin it round, there we go. Hornby Railways made. Have I got it upside down? I have got it upside down, haven't I? There you are, Hornby Railways, made in Great Britain. Wow, you just don't see that anymore. It's got plastic wheels. Oh, that's nice. I do like that. So the brake van, put that back in there, and we got. I've got quite a few of these in sets. If the camera focus, MSV. It's a mineral wagon. Yeah, rather nice. I've got quite a collection of these now. Put that back in there. Probably won't go in very well. This is a cattle wagon, and this has been in the Hornby range for years. This dates back from the trying period. This one. Harvey Eros livestock. Okay. It's discoloured on the roof a bit. Oh, it's all there, all plastic wheels, yeah. Obviously the trying ones had, I remember they had a metal chassis, and the early ones did anyway. Oh, this is a classic. This is a classic. Wow. Texaco. I've got a few of these as well. Oh wow. Oh, there's a bit of a mark there. I didn't realise that. I didn't realise that. But that's nice. I do like this. I've got quite a few of these now. Obviously Hornby have retooled these, so stay tuned to my channel to have a look at them soon. The camera's flashing up something. I have to get rid of it. Oh, look at this. Another oil tanker Regent. Wow. I think I've got different styles of these as well. I've got them in red, if you remember, in some of the sets I've looked at. This is in rather good condition. Oh, I'm glad I've got it anyway. And my daughter's had fun with this set, and we've had it all set up. And I remember I've had this set for a while. You see, in my old flat we've had this, and we've played around with it there. I made a few videos with my daughter playing it for my personal collection. I made some funny videos of her playing with this train set, and she enjoyed this one. I think I was quite poorly at one point, and we got this and cleaned it all up and serviced it and set it up and ran it, and she was still quite young back then. Oh, it brings back memories. I do enjoy this set, and I've had lots of fun with this. So without further ado, let's set this up and watch her running. Yeah, why not? Right, catch you in the next segment. Right, I don't know if you can see me. I've set the track up. Loco's on the track. I've given the wheels a clean, but the track is a bit a steel track, so it works, but the fish plates, a lot of the fish plates should need replacing, I would say. Right, there she goes. Oh, look at that. There she goes. Whoops. Like I said, the fish plates, I need to replace them. But other than that, she is running really nice. Wow. There's another thing as well. I looked at some more catalogues. This one, if I bring it up to the camera, okay, this wagon is new from 1988. Looking at previous catalogues, so I'm probably going to date this set from 1988. It was around about that time. Right, let's get the wagons. Let's get hauling the wagons. Right, let's get her to reverse on the train. The train is in this consist on the box, so that's not going to work, is it? Do you know why it's not going to work? It's because the controller is supposed to be here. Me being silly. Right. My mistake. I made a silly mistake. Basically, the point of power needs to be in front of the point. I had my power source over there. When I flicked the point, the power wasn't getting to the point to power the siding. It needs to be in front of the point, so the power will flow into the siding when I flick the point. If that makes any sense to you guys. The siding's not really long enough as well. There is extra track in this as well. I could have extended it, but I wanted a longer running line. Never mind anyway. It's not long enough as it is in the box, so really it should have been made longer, but hey ho, add a bit more track. Obviously I've got loads of this track, so I could extend it a bit more, but I wanted a longer running loop, and I'm thinking about using this track to test the HST in a bit. There's no point in me packing this away, getting the short loop out to run the HST, and might as well just use the same track circuit. Right, without further ado, let's flick the point and reverse the Jinty onto a train. Excuse if you see me in shot. Right, the controller in front of me, hit it in reverse. There she goes. Easy does it. She's coupled, I think. Alright, I wonder if that uncoupling ramp's going to uncouple. No, we got it. Out she comes. There she goes. Let's flip the point before it. I hope. Oh, yes. There we go. Oh dear. what happened there. And there she goes. It's a bit, the fish plates need replacing, so, but she is running, sort of. Let me sort the track out a bit. No, still no. And there we have it. She's running. I do need to replace the fish plates, but there she is running, and yeah, she's running really well. Obviously, I have lubricated the loco, and I've had this loco serviced, and she runs pretty well. Yes. You can have hours of fun. My daughter and I have had hours of fun with this set. She's played around with it loads of times. Right, I think what I'm going to have to do is we'll put the HST on. Slippery track sections. Yeah, she's running reasonably well. Excuse my dodgy camera work. Yeah, there she goes. Right, there's only one thing for it. I think it's the HST's turn to go on. So yeah, please bear with me, and I'll see you in the next segment of the video.